Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Ruggiero. I'm the staff associate here at Multicultural Student Affairs, and welcome to MSA Cribs. In efforts to follow guidelines, we decided today to do a virtual tour of the Office of Multicultural Student Affairs, just so you can get to know the office, where it is, a little bit of what it looks like, being that everything is virtual and we are all remote now. So let's get started. So once you first come in, what do you see? One of our lovely student employees manning the desks. Today we have Mr. Landon Coles, who seems to be following guidelines and wearing his mask and doing his job. Sign in digitally, then they will escort you to our reception area. Very nice lit open area where you can chat and just wait until you are ready to be helped. Then we can go over to the offices. As we move to the right of the office, we are approaching our conference area, occupied currently by some more of our student staff, which we have Miss Taya, Jasmine, Allie back there, and Katie. So this area is typically for MSA staff meetings, student organization meetings, all kind of ideas for programming are cultivated here, important conversations are had here. So this is a space we like to utilize to kind of bring thoughts to the table and develop new events, new ideas, things like that. Now moving along to the director and assistant director. We have Miss Kennedy Robinson. This is her office. And then we have Mr. Christopher Clark. This is his office. Students are always in these two offices. They are fairly new. Kennedy has been here a year and Mr. Clark has been here 6 months, but students love them. They are two amazing student affairs professionals. If you want to get to know them, if you want advice from them, if you want to pick their brain about something, just reach out to us. We can schedule a Zoom, and because MSA is here to support you all. So now, right next to Mr. Clark's office is my area. Over here is what I consider to be the best view of the office. I can see just about enough. I can see the roundabout, a little bit of the business school, the UC Rock, some of those new tents that they have here, people eating lunch, a lot of good people watching goes on here. And then we have here my little setup. It's my back there is my wall of fame or shame. However you choose to get there, you get there. Now, if we walk down this way, I can show you some more MSA office space. So, well, let's see. First of all, this has a door, a sliding door, great for privacy. So you can section off your area. So who do we have here? Mr. Victor Rios, our new graduate assistant. This is his area. This is where a lot of work gets done, typically, but not right now because we're remote. This is also can be used as a multi-purpose area. Some graphic design work gets done there. Some practicum student work gets done here. A lot of work comes out of this room, that's for sure. And then we have our kitchen. I know in that real MTV Cribs, they show what's in the refrigerator, but there's nothing interesting in there, I promise. So now I have one last thing to show you all. Last but definitely not least is our famous MSA balcony. So let's just walk through the area here. You can kind of see inside of the offices, and there's an exit here also, only exit, not entrance. I want you all to see it from the other end too. You have a great view. The acoustics are a bit much from up here, and down there I can hear everything, but it's a good space. We've had open houses here, and students just come on here to eat sometimes, or but it's typically too hot to have events here, so we definitely leave that for cooler days. Now we go outside. And this concludes your tour. Thank you for watching MSA Cribs. Remember, we are at the University Center, 2nd floor, office all the way to the back. If you want to get involved, if you want to get to know us, we are all on all social media platforms. Let's see. We are on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Just reach out to us via email. We can set up a Zoom. We can have a conversation. And we are here to support you. MSA is here to support you. Go Canes.